The Phanteks NV9 DRGB LED kit transforms a compatible NV9 case with a continuous border of addressable lighting that looks clean and intentional rather than cluttered. Its 4 dedicated light bars are shaped to match the top, bottom, side, and rear edges of the chassis, so the illumination feels like part of the frame instead of an afterthought. Magnetic mounting makes installation straightforward and tool-free, while also allowing easy repositioning or removal during future upgrades or cleaning. The included power hub gives you headroom to add more digital lighting devices later, keeping cable management centralized instead of scattering splitters around the case. Because the kit is engineered specifically for the NV9 layout and controller, color effects and brightness transitions remain smooth and well synchronized across every module. Build quality is solid with sturdy plastic housings and consistent diffuser finish, so the lighting appears even and refined rather than patchy or overly harsh.